Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to automatically prepare POTCAR files using Python script for any number of folders which contain input files for the VASP calculation. This script doesn't require any prerequisites except of course to have a Python, and it is available on the implant team website. The link is visible here, or you can navigate to it through the menu if you go to study materials, then to the calculation scripts, and then to the setting VASP calculations, and it is this one. And the specific code is available on the GitHub. So let's now download the code. I will open the GitHub link, and the easiest way how to get this code for me is now just to copy the content and to create a new Python file here. Let's call it, for example, create POTCARs, and insert all the content here and save it with Ctrl S. In this script there are two variables which need to be defined by the user. So the first variable is path to the main folder, which contains the subfolder, and each of the subfolder have the input files for the VASP calculation. Specifically, it needs to contain the POSCAR file. And the second folder is path to the folder where are all the POTCARs for each elements. So let's illustrate the use of this code on an example. Exit it with Ctrl X, and I already prepared an example with three different VASP, three different folders for the VASP calculations. So it is here, and if I show you the content, so you can see there is a BTO. Let me illustrate the POSCAR. So you can see there is a barium, titanium, oxygen, and of course I need now to create POTCAR for this one, which has the correct order of the elements, and this will be done automatically through the script. Another VASP input files is LNO, and there is here I have lanthanum, nickel, and oxygen, and the last one is the mixture of these two. Oh, sorry. So here I have lanthanum, barium, nickel, titanium, and oxygen. Okay, so the the main path, which I need to set as one of the user's variables, is path to here. So let's get the full path, and let's copy it to the code. On here. Okay, so now I can save it, and the second variable is the path to the potentials for each element. So if I open this folder with potentials, what I need is this folder. Let me show you what's inside, and you can see there are potentials for each element. For example, if I go to here, you can see I have the POTCAR here. Okay, so the path that I will need is this one. Let's copy it and insert to the script. Oh no, is too much. Okay, here. Save it again. And now I can simply run the Python script. You can see it's finished, and it also gives me some information about which element it found in the current folder and the current POSCAR, and then it shows that it successfully added the potential or the POTCAR for the element folder to the main POTCAR file, where I need to have all the element in the same order as they are in the POSCAR. And it's done for all 3 folders. So I will show you it was correctly created. So let's go to the structures, and for LNO, if I open the POSCAR and then the newly created POTCAR, I should have on the first position the lanthanum, and you can see it's here. Then on the second position nickel, and you can see it's almost in the middle, so it's on the second position. And the last position is oxygen, and you can see it's the last one, and there are no others. Okay, and also, let's see now, also for example, also the mixture. So in this case, if I open the POSCAR and POTCAR, so first one should be lanthanum, it's here. Second one should be barium, it's here, and it's the second one. Third one is nickel, and yeah, it's correct. Fourth one is titanium, also correct. And the last one will be oxygen. So let's just check it, and it's right. So you can see the script works quite well, and I can create POTCAR file corresponding to the POSCAR file in each folder for an unlimited number of different folders for the VAS calculations using this Python script. Okay, so that is all, and thank you for your attention.